This is a ghost segment. It is part 2 of a large backup. It is useless without the main GHO file. You need to keep them in the same folder to restore your backup. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how they link. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated GHS file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. A GHS file is a segment of a larger backup created by Norton Ghost, a disk imaging and backup software. When a backup exceeds a certain size, Norton Ghost splits it into multiple GHS files for easier storage and management. These segments must be reassembled to restore the complete backup. GHS files are typically numbered sequentially, e.g. GHS G01, G02, to indicate their order within the complete backup set. The initial GHS file contains header information and is crucial for initiating the restoration process. The segments are concatenated to recreate the original disk image. Your primary software solution for GHS files should be Norton Ghost from Symantec Corporation. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows cannot load the internal disk structure, so dedicated imaging software must handle it. Initiate the process by right-clicking the GHS file and choosing Open With. Use Norton Ghost as your first choice if available. If it's missing, move down the list. Finding the right reader might take 2 or 3 attempts. If your GHS file will not open, do not worry. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the GHS error using these 3 focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, use GhostScript. If a PostScript file, use GhostScript GSView to view the file. Next, use Text Editor. If a hash file, open the .jhs file in a text editor to view the content. Finally, check Associated Files. Determine the associated program that uses the GHS file. If no local program recognizes the GHS file, it likely indicates a naming overlap where your system is attempting to use the wrong tool for that specific format. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the GHS label is unclear or shared. When you need a guaranteed fix, File Magic is essential. Its feature set includes instantly viewing a file's content even when it's severely corrupted. Visit filemagic.com for details. Subscribe now to ensure you get the notification for the next file solution I upload. Keep your skills sharp, and thanks for learning with me.